Today we're going to capture the color and the fun of a piñata, and we're going to make our own piñata cards. The stained glass effect is the first technique I will show you. Put glue on your toro or burro's body. Cut the tissue paper in small squares and paste them sort of piling on each other, but not entirely. Now don't forget the eyes. This one is done. Now for the pom-pom effect. Take pieces of paper and make them into little balls, like this. Apply glue and paste them onto your template. Continue doing so until you have your pom-pom effect. For a fringe effect, take a piece of tissue paper and cut it at the bottom like this, stopping before reaching the top with your scissor. Apply glue on the opposite side of the fringes and paste it into your burro or toro. You can also add sequins using glue. Now write a greeting in Spanish from the list or come up with your very own. Apply glue to the gray area of the card and paste your cards together. And there you go, your piñata cards are ready. Who did you make your piñata card for? I hope you had fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.